Hi guys, today I'm doing a review of this Abigail chess folding board game. This comes with 32 pieces and each piece has the felt there on the bottom so it's not going to scratch up your board as you're playing. But if you're a chess enthusiast or looking for a beautiful set to enhance your game nights, then this extra large 21-inch set might be what you need. All the pieces are nicely made. The board is made out of a nice maple and walnut wood. I love how all of the squares are large and clearly defined, so it ensures a great playing experience. And this is great for beginners or seasoned players. So here's the best part of all. This folds up. As you can see, it has little latches. You can latch it together to make it easy to carry. And then when you're ready to play, you just unlatch it and you can open up your board. Now, also, I want to show you here in the inside, it does have a spot for you to put all your pieces. All these pieces right here can fit inside and you can carry the game all as one piece. And then again, when you're ready to play, you just open it up nice and wide right there. You lay it out and now you're ready to play. Overall, I would say this is great for anyone who loves playing chess, and especially if you want to be able to play on the go. This is definitely a product that I recommend.